Good afternoon to one and all
Ek-
present here. My name is Shubham Kodalkar under the guidance of our Professor Swapnil Lugar, and I am giving an internship seminar on honing machine and lathe machine, which are on which the internship has been done on Bemco Hydraulics Private Limited. So here is the contents which we are going through this presentation: the company profile, layout of the company, products of company, honing machine, lathe machine, and types of knowledge gains, and last and foremost the conclusion. So let's go on with the company profile. So the Bemco Hydraulics Private Limited was established in the year 1957. It is in this company, the main products that which are being produced is the railway parts and hydraulic press machines, which are produced in capacities of tons and all. And the standard certifications, it has been standardized by ISO standard certifications 9001. So this is the layout of the company, in which there are three profiles: work, machine shop, carpentry, and press assembly. So this here is the HR room, and besides the HR room, there is a hydraulic presses, drilling machine, and all, and machine
This
shop.
is total company layout.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Carry on.
this is a distribution mechanism test bench, in which the distributions of the products have been done, and there is a Herbert lathe machine and jig boring machine inspection room, in which
Harbat
inspection.
lathe machine. What do you mean by Harbat lathe machine?
Sir, it is a lathe machine, sir, in which the turning, drilling operations can be done, sir. Turning, milling,
So
turning.
why it,
Uh,
why it is called Harbat?
Herbert, in the sense, sir, Herbert, so Herbert, because it's a kind of a big machine, sir, a big lathe machine.
Big lathe machine.
Yes, sir, Herbert lathe.
In spite of Harbat, you can tell it heavy duty lathe machine.
Yes, sir, it's a heavy duty. It requires more amount of power also to operate, sir.
So
And they are
what do you
the
mean by Harbat?
so Herbert, sir. So it is a name which is given by the production company, Herbert lathe.
Continue.
Yes, sir. Uh, so these are the products which are manufactured in the company, which are hydraulic press machines, hydraulic jacks, and 50,000 ton press machines. And depending upon the variants and all, these press machines are being done. The main components which they use is the hydraulic oil, SW40, this kind of grade oils which are used uh, uh, in this ton press machines. So this is the honing machine. This was latestly when I was doing the presentation in the internship in the so Bemco Hydraulics. That time this machine was present available at that time, before it was not available. So I saw this machine first and they were assembling it. So I have not gained so much kind of knowledge when they have knowledge about it. So some amount of I have gained it, sir. Some amount of it.
What do you know the honing operation?
Sir, honing,
Hmm?
honing
Why
machine.
it is done?
Sir, to remove the unwanted materials and to prevent and to create a flat surface over a flat metal surface by using some abrasive materials.
Why the honing is required for making a flat grinder can be used, no? In spite
So
of
no, sir,
honing.
for smooth finishing, sir. To have a
Smooth
smooth finish.
finishing from the honing is better than the grinder.
Sir, it is mainly handling process is mainly used to have a geometric form of surface, and also to improve the surface texture, sir.
Okay, proceed.
Yes, sir. So these are the honing special tools: honing stone, which are honing stone to achieve a greater surface, precise surface. the hone is composed of abrasive grains. As I told, these the main components which are used as abrasive particles, and these abrasive particles after that they are added together by with the help of the adhesives. And honing grains are irregularly shaped with respect to 10 to 50 micrometers in diameter. They are the honing grains or the tools which are used, the honing grains which are used are the size are mainly up to 10 to 15 micrometers in diameter so smaller grains also have can produce, but then if the grains are smaller also, they are smaller also,
So
they
which
can.
type say which type of grains? What are the uses of grains in honing?
So grains or
Why
grades?
the grains you are showing the grains no? Horn is
Sir,
composed abrasive grains.
sir. So which
Hmm.
type of grains in the sensor?
In
So,
honing,
sir,
what are the abrasive grains used in honing? Which are
uh,
that one?
sir, this in the sensor, so stone particles, stones, diamonds also. So some kind of diamonds also can be also used.
Honing machine is used for the internal machining purpose. Any hollow cylinder in which it has to be machined, the honing is being used. The honing tool is made by the any types of marbles or the grain
Yes,
composite
sir.
material that they are having tools. Okay, next slide.
Yes, sir. So process mechanics, the honing process provides a final sizing and creates a desired finished products. As I already told also, sir, the main honing process is used to have a precise and to have a geometric form of surface over the metal. The honing is
Bemco
a
is manufacturer of honing machine.
Sir, no, sir. Main manufacturing is the press machine, but now they are. When I was before, there were no honing machines at present. Before, but at now present,
No,
honing
what
machines.
I'm saying,
Yes, sir.
Bemco is manufacturing honing machine.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Only manufactures press machines and railway tracks, railway equipments such as that jack to lift, which are used to lift the train tracks.
Okay, so why are you so focused on only the honing machine?
These processes are used these processes are mainly used to make the press machines, sir.
Okay, next slide. Show me the next slide.
Yes, sir. So this is the lathe machine in which all the operations such as turning, turning, facing, and all operations can be done, sir. Facing, again, counter boring, counter sinking can be done, sir. So this is the lathe machine, sir.
Okay,
So the parts of lathe are the bed, legs, headstock, gearbox, carriage, and tailstock, sir. These are the parts of lathe machine, sir. Headstock, speed level controllers to control the speed of the speed of the machine, and carriers to move this carriage from one place to another, sir. And the tailstock and the tailstock and the spindle between it is a dead center, and above the carriage there is a cutting tool which is placed, and from hairstock to tailstock there is a dead center. So and the cabinet leg also is spread, and coolant tray also is given to uh, in the sense to cool the operation while cool the operation cool the operation while it is machined, sir. Uh, so
next slide.
the processes which are carried out in the lathe machines are facing. It is an operation in which we used to decrease the front to decrease the size of the material, sir. Turning also it is also used to have a cylinder. It's a main process which is used in cylindrical shapes. Objects can be used, and it can be done in stepwise also. Uh, Sir, boring is a process in which to have accurate holes and size. This is a process. Drilling also is done in this
Which
to have
type of tool they are in the boring till cutting tool? Which type of tool they are using?
so for boring, sir. Sir, L shaped tool, sir.
L-shaped tool.
Square shaped, square tool.
Square shaped tool.
Sir.
Have you seen square shaped tool anywhere?
Sir, I have seen. A
How can
boring
you
tool,
do
sir.
the boring
The
operation?
boring tool, sir. Boring tool is used, sir. And for drilling, sir, drilling tool, sir. Depending upon the size variants, so how much amount of
Okay.
drill we have
Go
to
for
do.
the next slide.
So removing, it is a process of producing, removing the materials from holes. Means when the hole is produced, again we have to remove some kind of materials to have a precise precise shape inside the hole, sir. And counter boring, it is the process of boring a hole to more than a one diameter. In the sense, sir, when a hole is produced, again one inside internal hole. This process is used to produce again internal holes in the machine shape, sir.
Okay.
Sir, knurling, it is used to produce a rough surface on the material, sir. It is used to produce on the material surface. And threading, it is used to provide a threads. It is used to have a threads on the material surface or material surface. The type of knowledge gains after visiting these companies, I have gained that the internship has helped me to understand all the organization, how it works, and all, how the networking opportunities can be gained, and how much of observation skills can be gained, and to how to clarify the mega engineering concepts, to study the various processes such as production, inspection, and every aspects which are in which these processes are required, and gain and some amount of confidence, and some amount confidence also can be gained. So at the end of this internship, I came to conclude that I got the opportunity to work within the organization and understand the various machining process which need to be improved, and also adoption for modern technology, which leads to increase in production and greater accuracy products, sir. So thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, go to the knowledge gain slide.
Yes, sir.
After visiting the Bemco Hydraulic Limited, brought some clear ideas that internship has helped me understanding how an organization works.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have not shown in the slide how the organization work. You have not told about the organization work. Network opportunity, nothing was there. Observation skill are
So,
improved. So
uh,
which
how-
skill you have improved?
sir, observations in the sense we can again, if some kind of breakdown happens to the machine, after we know the knowledge, a perfect knowledge about the machine, we can able to have its main characteristics about the damage, sir.
So organization work means what?
So organization works in the sense, so how the people, staff people, workers, and all, how they work predominantly to have the industry at the top level, sir.
Clarify many engineering concept. Tell me any two concept which you have clarified.
Sir, sir, this networking opportunities in the sense, sir, we able to get some sir, more amount of knowledge from other companies through networking, sir. How they are and we able to and we able to share our ideas with them, and their ideas also can be it can be gained, sir. Then
Which network you have used for sharing the ideas?
sir, sir, this sir, resources, sir, resources and operations and also.
Resources and operation.
So resources in the sense, sir, Sir, our idea, sir, in the sense, sir, which resources we have used to
So this is
sir, and regarding the organization, sir, how the organization policies are there, and procedures in which every industry must be able
what
to
I'm
follow.
asking, what are the engineering concepts? What are the engineering concepts you have studied over there? You
Sir,
have been clarified over there.
goals, objectives, sir, and
Goals, goals, objectives. These are the engineering concepts.
sir,
Uh, which of the engineering concept you have understood?
sir, I've not, uh,
Give me any two example.
sir, SQA procedures and work instructions and organization SQA policy, sir.
SQA.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me the full form?
Sir,
What is
software quality
to
infrastructure, sir.
software?
Quality infrastructure.
Software quality infrastructure. So this is a hardware company. So where the software comes over here?
The softwares they are using sir AutoCAD also. They are using softwares also such as AutoCAD, CATIA. They are using, sir.
Hmm. For the design purpose.
Yes, sir. For the designing of the so this sir, the stress fractures to calculate the stresses and also.
Hmm.
So they are using such software, sir.
So what are the inspection methods they are using over there?
Sir,
On what parameters they are using the inspection?
inspection methods in the sensor.
Hmm.
Uh, inspection methods, sir. Sir, quality inspection methods, and after that the
Quality inspection method.
sir and judgment inspections, informative and
This is
informative
ju-
inspection and source inspection, sir. From where the sources of
so
this.
whatever you told now, explain me any two. Quality inspection method and judgment. What you told? Judgment inspection method. Explain any two. How they are
Sir,
going to inspect.
Sir, quality in the sense, sir, to check the dimension of the product, sir, specification, qualities, sir, and using the instruments that come in part of to measure the quantity aspects of part and components, sir. This,
Which types of instruments they are using measuring instruments?
sir, sir, strain gauges, and sir,
Do you know the strain gauge for what purpose it will be
so to
used?
measure the stresses in the metal, sir.
Stresses.
So
How
strain,
can you measure the stresses by strain gauge?
so strain gauge is used to measure the strain in the object.
How you are going to measure the strain? Tell me the procedure.
Sir, sir, in the sensor strain gauge, if there is a variation in length or dimension, sir, or cross section in the any object, sir, it deflects. It shows the deflection in the strain gauge in the arrow mark. The strain gauge consists of arrow mark. In the sense, it shows some kind of deflection, sir. So in that time, so we able to detect how much amount of strains are measured in the object, sir.
Okay, next slide. Go.
Yes, sir.
At the end of this internship program, I come to a conclude that I got opportunity to work with an organization and understand the various machining processes which need to be improved. So what suggestion you have given to them to improve the machining process?
Sir, to have so automatic machines in the sense some more amount of advanced machines and all which don't
Which
doesn't have.
for which operation you have given the advice to them to change the
Sir,
machine?
so lathe machines, so because there are some say there is a one machine which is called as Bombay lathe, in which there is a huge amount of material. Only some amount of material can be machined, but it takes more amount of time. So I told them that means I concluded them that sir, please you can have some kind of automatic machine, so that the work which is to be done, which is to be completed in small amount of time. It doesn't take more amount of time, sir. And human power also
So,
is required is more, sir, for it.
so what they told for your suggestion?
Sir, they told that since some due to the slackness in the mechanical, sir, so we are not able to get some kind of equipment, sir. In future, if the jobs and jobs of sir slightly low, since they are removing the workers during the present conditions, as we see, they are removing the workers from the industries. So the situation is quite critical, they said. And after the some, if the situation gets some kind of stable, then we can able to have some technical this machines, advanced machines in the companies.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
conclude.
Yes, sir.
Stop recording. Thank you for giving some.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So shall I stop the recording, sir?
Stop the recording.
Yes, sir.